So here we've got this little contrasting edge that we're going to be putting in. Lee's putting it in now. He's just putting some primer slurry on the back, nice and thick on these corners. Lee, you've got these are. Can you just show us before you get that in? Sorry to bother you, mate, but can you just show us where that's going to fit and the angle?
Yeah.
So the paving comes up onto the wall, and we've got the paving parallel with the wall. So there we are. Lee's got this picture frame going in here. Look at that. And we'll put some more on. And so you've got a half bond here.
Yeah, and a half bond.
And a half bond on. Oh yeah. So because this one is longer, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. So you got the half bond right for this one as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, fantastic. There we are. Look. So Lee's going to go all the way down. I'm going to leave Lee get on with that now because it won't be fair otherwise. And it's going to go all the way along here. So we've got the contrasting edge, just like the patchway over there. So this path leads all the way down to the Glasshouse. So some people would say, Lee, that this was probably a bit excessive path just for the Glasshouse, but you should have the path how you want it, shouldn't you? Yeah. Definitely. So you're going to put some more slurry on there? I'm just checking. There he goes. So look, you can see, that's where he's got it back out. You can actually see how the mortar is stuck to the primer slurry, and so that's how it adheres, and it's not going to come up, is it?
No.
Thank you for that, Lee.